Black pepper, green tomato omelette, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the omelette recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the breakfast recipes and one of the most delicious of the egg recipes and one of the most unique of the pepper recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the tomato recipes and one of the most unique of the green tomato recipes and one of the most different of the black pepper recipes. It's also called Kali Mirch, Hare Tomato Omelette. Today we are going to make black pepper green tomato omelette. We have taken 2 medium-sized green tomatoes and cut into small pieces. The ingredients are 2 eggs, 2 tomatoes cut into small pieces, 15 grams of garlic, around 20 to 30 shallots cut into small pieces, 15 grams of ginger. Now break in 2 eggs, into the bowl. Mix the yellow and the white portion of the eggs together. Add the mix. Mix the eggs. Now put in the tomato pieces. Mix in the tomato pieces and crush. Crush the tomato pieces by mixing. Now put in the ginger pieces. Mix in the ginger pieces with the tomato. Thoroughly mix in. And while mixing, crush the tomato pieces further. Mix until it's frothy. Now put in the garlic pieces. Thoroughly mix. Thoroughly mix and crush all the ingredients together. Now keep on mixing and crush the ginger, garlic and the tomato. Mix in the shallots with the rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix and crush all the ingredients together. Put in salt to taste. Mix in the salt. Crush all the ingredients together. Put in 2 spoons of black pepper. Mix in the black pepper with the rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix in the black pepper. Put in the green tomato pieces into the egg mixture. Mix, thoroughly mix. Mix thoroughly. And crush. Now this can be used to make the omelette. Heat the pan and pour in 10 to 15 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Now pour in the omelette mixture, egg mixture into the pan and let it fry. Let it fry for around 1 minute in high flame, and then put it to medium to low heat. Let it fry. Turn it over. Let it fry. Now let the omelette fry for another 1 to 2 minutes. Now the black pepper, green tomato omelette is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final black pepper, green tomato omelette. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the omelette recipes and one of the most unique of the egg recipes and one of the most delicious of the black pepper recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the tomato recipes and one of the most delicious of the green tomato recipes and one of the most unique of the breakfast recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.